Hey YouTube, oh, and there we go. Hey YouTube, we've got a small unboxing today. My son's just got a Arrma Mojave 6S. This thing looks like a bit of a beast. It's a 2500 kV motor, 6S, 7th scale. Yeah, Arrma tough. Plenty of stuff about it, all alloy shocks, some real nice box art. Says a bit about it on the side of the box there. We've got the other colour. Apparently that's actual size. Bit more blurb about it on the side of the box there. And obviously that's upside down. So don't bash, just blast. An Arrma's motto for a while. All fully waterproof electronics, 150 amp motor. Yeah, a bit of a beast. So yeah, in the box, obviously you've got the Mojave, the controller. You did order some optional extras, which were the charging balance leads, because this is, I think it's an IC5 connector. A lot of Spectrum radio gear and so on. And you got a couple of batteries in the box, which he did order separate, and the 4 AA's. Suspect this cable tied down. Yeah, check this out. So yeah, I'm 5'10", and nice metal chassis, all countersunk hex hardware. Wishbone suspension, nice movement on the shocks. Nice soft sort of bash bumper bit, and then the moment that everybody likes. So yeah, sort of scale details, drivers. There is like sort of dashboard in there. I like the fact that the body clips are actually attached to the body. Oh, look at that suspension movement, just see that sort of. Oh yeah. It's a nice touch that the body's velcro to the side to stop it deforming. A little bit of support in there with the driver figures and so on. Nice metal centre brace, 6S, two 3S lipos, Cameron 4S with a link. So you can either run a single 4S or two 2S batteries or two 3S batteries. 150 ampere C power. The 1250 kV motor, quite a big can on that. All metal drive. Looks like a centre diff there. Yeah, it's, I would have thought it had a slightly bigger servo, but I'm sure that will perform well enough. And then in the box, we get a manual, some different centre bolts, pistons for the shocks, so that you can run the shocks a bit tougher or bits firmer. Oh, you get some shims for the diffs, so that when the diffs break in and wear slightly, you can sort of pack them out and make them good. Optional pinion, different rule hexes and Allen keys, some stickers, some information about the different pinion and batteries and so on. Plenty of bumps in the bag. And then a quite detailed manual, sort of maintenance and sort of different bits and pieces. Oh. That's all good. And we get a transmitter, which is a spectrum transmitter. You've got all your different sort of dual rates and steering trims, throttle trims. I'm guessing sort of light switch or something maybe. And yeah, functional, sort of nice and light. Sort of clip for the lanyard and stuff, so you don't necessarily have to carry it. Size-wise, that's your Mojave 6S. That's the 1/18 Mojave Grom, and everyone knows what kind of launch pad the Mojave is for the Grom, and everyone knows a Traxxas Slash. That's pretty much the size comparison for a Traxxas Slash. So that's roughly how they compare size-wise. This thing is huge, but it is semi-scale, so Yeah, the suspension feels real silky smooth on it. Probably should look at the camera a bit more now and again. Let's get some batteries in it and power it up and see what noises it makes. And then I think we'll take it for some running footage a bit later in the week, because we don't really have time today. Looking forward to taking this one out and giving it a blast with the old tractor slash. Yeah. Okay, so we've got the batteries in, 4 AA's. I'm sure there's a power on switch somewhere. There we go. Yeah, so we've got a green light. Just noticed that we've got throttle reverse and steering reverse and all that kind of stuff as well. And success. Yeah. So the batteries live on top of each other. It's got like an adjustable brace at the front, and then the Velcro strap that runs across and lengthwise. We've taken the link lead out because we're running more than one battery, because you could run a single 6S or a single 4S and so on. So it gives you plenty of options. And then apparently the motors on these do run hot, so it's always recommended to get some fans. So the steering seems to have plenty of power. I don't doubt their claims are 60 miles an hour. Yeah, so this is the Arrma Mojave 6S, which will feature on the channel from time to time. Sort of thanks to my son. So yeah, check out the details, the sort of faux fire extinguishers and all the different controls for the shocks and so on, caution bar, all the sort of artwork on the side. I love the yellow and matte black, or green and matte black, colourblind, so you have to bear with me. Yeah. Yeah, nice detail there, I think. Driver figures. And I guess we can maybe have a very quick blast in the garden.